checking out guys, keep on checking out habang naka-discount pa po tayo. Habol lang guys ha, habol lang po habang naka-discount pa. If may mga question po kayo with regards to product, feel free to comment down below. Sige guys, I think hindi ko na may intay kasi mag-end rin ako ng live. Sige, reveal ko na agad kasi hindi na ako makapag-intay. Kasi 12 PM guys, dapat yung end ko. But anyway, our bikini type na brief, makapal po yung garter, stretchable, and this is how it looks like sa front part. Yan po yung front part guys ng bikini type natin na brief. Ito naman guys yung bottom part po niya. Yan siya guys. And there you have it guys. Magpapaalam na po ulit ako guys sa inyo. Hindi nyo na ako guys makakasama for later, for another session for later. And for women naman po tayo for later. And to our 1,935 viewers na hindi pa nakafollow dito kay Bench, kindly follow us na rin so you will be updated and get notified on our everyday lives and sessions. And then guys, please follow nyo na rin ako on my official account. It's Jayden Fernandez. And I would like to thank all of you for those who like, follow, and share the live stream and sa mga nag-check out na. This has been your host, Jayden Fernandez. Happy Easter everyone. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye. Wait lang guys ha.